review for the SFM ZZ 125. This is actually my first vehicle. It's brand new, you know, it gets you A to B from work back to home or to wherever. Really good looking bike. It cost me £2,000 as well, brand new, unlimited mileage, 2 years warranty. It's a German make, so you can't go wrong. Obviously if it was anything else Chinese, there's no way I would have went anywhere near it. At first glance I thought it was a Chinese bike. It just, you know, it looked too good to be true, to be honest with you. My budget was £2,500, and I saved £500, and with that I managed to get a helmet, a pair of gloves, a pair of boots, some Kevlar jeans and other stuff. So yeah, for £2,000 it's really not that bad. I was actually after a Yamaha, but obviously found this one. I was obviously after a Yamaha that was pre-owned, because brand new they're like £4,000 or £5,000. For the same budget, I saw this bike, immediately attracted to it. But essentially what you're looking at is a German-Chinese hybrid, and by that I mean it. You know, it's the German quality control, and that meets the Chinese production cost. But whatever you do, don't buy a Chinese motorcycle. I'm sure 99.9% of people would agree with me. It's definitely worth waiting to turn 17 though and getting a 125 rather than buying a 50. I was going to get a pussy ped, but you know, now I look back at it, I think, I don't know why I even wanted it. Obviously because I was 16, I wanted to get on the road so bad. I just wanted to get a moped, but I waited it out, saved some more cash, and I've got this for £2 grand. So and you get so much more out of it as well. But yeah, obviously I've put all the specifications and technical side of things in the video. But yeah, lovely bike.